Here we're just going to take a quick tour through our Google site. So you can see that you have my email address right there. If you click on that, you should immediately get a prompt to send me an email. Yours might be through Gmail if that's your default email program. Mine's through Outlook, but either way, it should open up that prompt to send me an email. If you do need any help, please don't feel shy about emailing me whenever you need it. I would bookmark this right away just because then you'll have it accessible whenever you need it. You don't have to go searching for it. At the top of the page, we have some navigation tools. These are actually the same exact pages as these three: Weekly Hyperdoc, Course Info, and the virtual notebooks. We're going to dive into those in a second. Before we jump into that, this is a link to our Google Classroom, link to Student View so you can see your grades. And our calendar is located here. It's also in your Google Classroom, but it just gives us a general outline of what we're going to be doing. And once we have assignments that go into Google Classroom, they will immediately pop up here. You can click on them directly and it'll take you to that assignment. At the bottom, just some suggestions on how you can get help. You can email me. You can come to office hours on Monday, office hours after school on Wednesday, or the second half of Unity time during fourth period. You can also come to office hours. So that's 4 different chances for you to get extra help. All right, let's dive into these 3 pages. Let's start with course info. This one will really not change throughout the year. There's some information about me, our grading policy, and our syllabus. If you need to access any of those, especially the syllabus and the grading policy, at any time, you have those standing there whenever you need them. The virtual notebooks is going to be a pretty heavy topic. Oh, actually, I want to change that. I'm going to end up changing the title here to virtual notebooks, but these 2 things, we're going to end up using these as big resources throughout the year. That's going to take some explaining, so I don't really want to jump into that right now, but those are there for you. The weekly Hyperdocs are organized by month on this page, so September's Hyperdocs are all going to be here. We have 4 weeks there. Each week gets its own Hyperdoc. And that's basically telling you everything that we're going to be doing throughout the week. We have Tuesday's classes links here. I'm also going to put the recording in there. Thursday's classes links will be here. And then all the asynchronous or independent work will be located at the top. So these assignments should be completed by Monday, which is really why this week is structured like that. 9/8 to 9/14 is actually going from Tuesday to Monday. So that's a little bit weird to structure a week like that, but it's because our synchronous classes are running from Tuesday to Friday. So we're starting our week on Tuesday, and all of these asynchronous tests need to be completed by that following Monday. The biggest reason for that is that you can actually get help on the last day that those are due. There's office hours then, plus you have all that entire day to complete any work that you need. If you find that it's past office hours on Monday and you still need extra help, you can email me and I should be able to get back to you pretty quickly. The supposed timeline is supposed to be 24 hours, but I should be able to get back to you quickly on that day. You can see that there's some other links to get you some help if you need it. These Hyperdocs will also be located on our Google Classroom. That's probably the easiest way to actually access these. I'm going to post them here just so that we have them as a standing resource. If sometime in December you want to come back to something, you can visit it here rather than having to scroll through our entire Google Classroom stream. But they will be accessible through your Google Classroom, which is probably easier for most of you. I think that about covers it. But if you do have any questions about how to navigate this, there's also a search bar. If you need any help finding something, you can also just search for it. But if you feel like you're just stuck, you don't know how to find what you're looking for, please email me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.